Welcome student to our class of TYBSc Geography paper GG 336 Fundamental of Geoinformatics. We are continuing with our chapter 4, that is aerial photographs. In previous video we have discussed about types of aerial photographs such as panchromatic, infrared color photographs, multispectral photographs, etc. In addition to that, today we are going to discuss annotation strip. Annotation strip is an information which is mentioned on an aerial photograph in order to better understand or interpret that photograph. First information is fiducial mark. It is present on the lenses and are already known to us. It is present on the lenses and it is known. It is the index mark, usually 4 on all the 4 sides of the photographs. It is present. They are used to find out the principal point of photographs. Opposite fiducial mark are joined and get a fiducial axis. The point of intersection of fiducial axis is called fiducial center. Means in an aerial photograph, fiducial mark is present at the extreme top 4 corners of a photograph. Then that 4 corners are joined in an opposite direction as like diagonal, and the center which is obtained is called fiducial center of an aerial photograph. Next point is principal point, that is PP. The point at which the projected ray from the ground to the perspective center passes through the photoplane at right angle is called as principal point. I repeat, the point at which the projected rays from the ground to perspective center passes through the photoplane at a right angle is called principal point. It is the image of intersection between the projection of the optical axis, that is the perpendicular to the center of lens, and the ground. So it can be located on a single photo by the intersection of lines between opposite sides or corner of fiducial mark. So it is located at a single photo by the intersection of lines between the opposite sides of the fiducial mark, that is called as principal point. Next one is principal and conjugate. This is the point in overlapping photos, that is equivalent to principal point of adjacent photograph, or the images of the same object on 2 or more photographs. Altimeter reading means height above mean sea level. Average height can be taken. It has been shown on the aerial photograph on the left side of the time. So this is nothing but it is information related with height. And then next is run number. Run number is the number of flight line in a film series or a digital series along which individual frame are taken. There are usually multiple run numbers per films. So run number is nothing but it is a number of flight line in a film series. Next is task number or sortie number. Sortie number is a reference used to identify the images taken by the sensor during one air reconnaissance or sortie. Task number: every aerial photograph is given a task number by Survey of India SOI. Side lab, sometimes called as side overlap also, is comprises or encompasses the overlapping area of photographs between adjacent flight lines. It is designed so that there are no gaps in three-dimensional coverage of multiple line project. Normally 25 to 30% side lab is present between two adjacent flight lines. So it is nothing but it is an overlap between two adjacent flight line, that is side lab. Then forward overlap. So overlap is the amount by which one photograph includes the area covered by the another photograph. Means the common portion or the same portion which is present in two adjacent photographs is called forward overlap. It is expressed as a percentage. It is expressed in percentage. The photo survey is designed to acquire 60% forward overlap between the photos along the same flight line. So normally there is 60 to 70% overlap present between two adjacent photographs having the same forward or same flight line. Next one is flight line. Flight lines are the path that an aircraft take in order to ensure complete coverage of an area of the photograph. Means it is a path that is observed by the flight line or that is observed by the flight in order to capture the area or coverage. So this is the information about annotation strip which is present on the aerial photograph, with the help of which it become very easy to interpret or to understand the features which is present in an photograph. So today we have discussed about annotation strip. In that we have seen fiducial mark, then principal point, principal and conjugates, altimeter reading, run number, sortie number, task number, side lab, forward overlap and flight line. So this all information is very essential for the interpretation purpose in an aerial photograph. In continuation to this, in the next video we have to study pseudoscopic images, then we have to study the stereoscope, types of stereoscopes, pocket stereoscope, mirror stereoscope, as well as we will be seeing the concept of depth perception, as well as we will be discussing about the 3D view of the photographs with the help of stereoscope or pocket stereoscopes. Thank you.